Hello everyone, welcome to Aileen Bite Tips. Today we're gonna make Taiwanese beef noodle soup. Here are all the ingredients we need. This is beef tendon, this is beef bone, and sweet pochai. Also noodle, sour mustard, sugar, green onion, cilantro, white onion, tomato, ginger, scallion. And here are all the sauce we need. We need soy sauce, and this is Shaoxing rice cooking wine, and the bean sauce, ice sugar, mixed spice pouch, and salt. So first, we need to cut the ginger into slice, like this. Okay. And put 3 slices of ginger into a hot boil water. And next, we're gonna cut the beef tender into big pieces like this. Keep cutting. So now we're gonna boil a big pot of hot water, boil water, and put 3 slices of ginger in, and the big beef bone inside to make the beef broth. And we also need to cook the beef tender. After everything inside, it will look like this. And we need roughly 5 to 8 minutes to cook the beef and take the beef away. Alright. And now we're gonna put our sour mustard into a pot of cold water to dilute the saltiness. So put it into the cold water about 10 minutes. Alright, and while the meat is cooked about 5 minutes, and then we take the meat out. So now we're gonna put the meat into running cold water. After you rinse the cold water and you take away from water and put it in the middle to let it cool down a bit. While we're waiting for the beef broth to ready, we're gonna prepare our vegetable. We're gonna cut the scallion and the onion and tomato, also cilantro and green onion. So now we're gonna prepare our sour mustard. We need to take out from the cold water and squeeze the extra water out and cut it into pieces, small pieces. Okay, use a wok pot. Heat the pot to high heat. And then add some cooking oil and put the sour mustard into the pot. Okay, turn the heat to middle to small heat and continue stir and add sugar. Roughly is 1 tablespoon of sugar. The sour mustard is ready to use. Okay, and right now we're gonna heat up a big pot and add some cooking oil. And put the scallions slice and ginger inside the pot. Also onion. Okay, stir until the vegetable turn brown and golden. So now we put some iced sugar inside and continue stirring. Okay, put our meat inside and add some pink sauce, about 2 tablespoons. Keep stirring and then we're gonna add the soy sauce inside our pot. Ooh, sizzle. Wow. And also the cooking wine. Okay. And now we're gonna put the 3 green onion and 2 mixed spice pouch inside, and then we're gonna add the beef broth we made earlier inside our main pot. Until it's 80% full. Yeah, roughly 80% full. So you need to keep the beef bone and the beef broth inside the beef noodle soup pot. And we're gonna put our tomato pieces inside and cover with lid and cook for an hour. Welcome back. So the noodle soup is ready. We need to prepare another pot full of water and boil. And right now we're gonna cook the vegetable and the noodle. First, we're gonna add the salt into a hot boil water, and then add the vegetable inside to cook 2 minutes. Okay, so right now it's almost 2 minutes and the vegetable is ready to eat. So we're gonna wait for the water boil again. We're gonna put our noodle inside. Make sure they are separate from each other. Use chopstick. So the noodle is ready. We're gonna take it out and put it in a bowl. Okay, put the noodle in a bowl. And decorate some vegetables. Okay, so now we can put our meat and beef meat. Okay, we're gonna open our soup. Ooh, it smells so good. And we need to pick up 2 or 3 or more beef to put it in the bowl on the noodle. Oh, this one. Good. And now pour some soup inside our bowl. And decorate some broccoli. Sorry, it's cilantro. Green onion. And dry mustard, sour mustard on the side. Okay. Alright, here is our beef noodle soup. Hope you like it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Enjoy!